Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain about do, does, done, and did. When we use do and does both are related to the present tense. The difference is related to their subjects. When we have I, you, we, and they, we use do, and when we have he, she, it, we use does. And also for done, it's about action that has been completed in the present perfect tense. We have and has, and also in the past perfect tense had. We use done in the perfect tenses. And also for did is about action in the past with all these subjects I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Let's answer the question. Number 1, blank. You like ice cream. So we have a present tense and we have a subject you, so the answer is do. Do you like ice cream? Question number 2. He blank his homework. His blank his homework before playing video games. So we have here before playing video games. It means that one action is completed, is finished before another one. He did his homework before playing video game. One of them is finished. As it finished, he did another thing. So the answer is did. He did his homework before playing video games. Next one, she has already her chores for today. So we have sign of perfect. She has already is a sign of present perfect. So the answer is done. She has already done her chores for today. Blank your friends know about the meeting. So it's about the present tense and also it's plural because mention your friends, we have a s here also. So it's the answer is do. Do your friends know about the meetings? Number 5. They have blank a great job on this project. So the answer is yes, is do. Because we have they. No, it's not the right one. The answer is yes. The answer is done. Why? Because it's a present perfect tense. They have is mentioned they have. They have done a great job on this project. So the right answer is 5. What about number 6? She has a new car. This question is about the present tense. So she has a new car. And also we have she as subject. So the answer is does. Does she has a new car? He blank not go to the party last night. So we can see last night is refer past. It's easy. The answer is D. He did. He did not go to the party last night because of the past sign. Next one. I blank my best to help you. So now it's do. I do my best to help you is a present tense. Also is related to the meaning. Maybe sometimes we use I did. I did my best to help you because it's referred to the past. Number 9. They blank all their assignments last week. last weekend. So they blank all their assignment last weekend. We have a sign of past last, so it's last weekend. So the answer is did. They did all their assignments last weekend. Number 10. Has he the dishes yet? So we have a sign of present perfect, yes. And also we have a sign of has. So has he done? Has he done the dishes yet? She likes to go to the beach. So is the present tense. The answer is does because of she. Does she likes to go to the beach? Next one. I have already my morning workout. So we have a sign of perfect. I have already. So the answer is done. I have already done my morning workout. His project on time last week. So it's mentioned last week. It's related to past. So he did. He did his project on time last week. Next one. They not need any help with the assignment. They not need any help with the assignment. So it's negative. And also it's present simple. So they do is a present tense. They do not need any help with the assignment. Last one, we have everything on our list. So let me know in comment what is the right answer.